Hello everyone, I'm Gitanjali Kasliwal from Anantaya and AKFD in Jaipur. We are doing a lot of design and crafts with furniture, decor, gifting, lighting. And from Jaipur, we've got for design democracy in Hyderabad a lot of our new collections. And this is the third time. It's beautiful because the kind of response we've received over the last 2 years and even now in the show up till now, it's been phenomenal. So let me take you through some of the things which we have over here. So this is the crescent thali, which is in brass and kalai. We have revived the ancient technique of kalai here, and which is great for eating food out of because it's got it makes it citrus proof. Flexible, it's inspired by the crescent chand bali from Hyderabad only. The other dishes also here. So this is a full set that you can eat in. Here are some akhand diyas. This is the law diya. So oil you can fill inside and top you can float water and petals, and the wick is a very long lasting one. And there are some trays. These are on pure brass only. They are modeled after buildings and they are called the Imarat tray because they are abstractions of building plans. So we are architects and designers. So all of our products are very inspired by architecture of our country and the legacy which we have passed on in crafts. So there are these tiffins over here. So they are made in borosilicate glass and brass. So you can put a lot of things inside and decor and display as well as use it for many different things. And they are great for gifting also. We have the supari range, little things which make life beautiful. This little spoon can actually sit here and it can also go in up here. So here is a night lamp which is very different. It's a tray and yet a lamp. So this lights up and changes lights. So great, very utility friendly. That's called the chhata lamp. So again, it's touch friendly and you can increase or decrease the density of it, the light quality of it, and it's fully rechargeable. So here I have the Konark lamp. This is modeled after the Sun Temple of Konark. So it's a portable lamp, can be charged. It's made of alabaster and can be dimmed when you touch it. It dims up and dims down also. That's called the thali trolley. So it's made in brass and custom wheels. So the kalam tables are all hand painted by miniature artists of Rajasthan. So there are different ranges here. This is the Buddha range. We have the Yantra range and they represent different things like prosperity, fertility. They have different meanings. So every product at Anantaya has a lot of meaning. And they're also crafted from generations of master craftspeople, the way it's put together. So here we have these nesting tables which are clad in brass and they can be used in different ways. That's the Vita Day bed. It's like, it's very Indian in its essence because top is like a moodha. You can customize it to your taste. This is our furniture vertical called AKFD. So with AKFD, we've done a lot of projects across the world with architects and including the T3 terminal Mudra wall at the New Delhi International Airport and restaurants across the globe like the Washington DC made Punjab Grill. This has been done with Incubus Architects at the Lucknow Airport also installations. We've done a hotel called the Narendra Bhavan. There are homes. Anantaya and AKFD is about living in a certain way, living consciously, living meaningfully with crafts and culture that we want to show as, we are Indian, we are proud to be born in India and all the crafts that we have. We try to bring everything to your home that you can use it today, and also they are like modern heirlooms that you can carry on forever. Like these are the temple lamps. So Kalash lamps, which are inspired by the finials of temples, and they are made by khateras by beating the metal like in olden days. So every product at Anantaya has a meaning, has a story, and is well crafted.